Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome to my channel ASH Little Topper. In day to day life, we use computer desktops or laptops very often. So we should definitely know how to operate computers shortly, fastly, and smartly. Yes, this video is completely about some basic shortcut keys used in computers installed with Microsoft Windows. So let's get started with the video. What is meant as shortcut key in computers? A shortcut key is a combination of two or three keys in the computer keyboard. It performs a task when keys are pressed at one time or at same time. It performs more quickly than using a mouse or any input device. A shortcut key is also called as hotkey. So these are the some special keys designed to perform quick actions. CTRL is a control key, F1 is a function key, Windows key which has a Windows logo, ALT is the alternate key. Keys numbered from F1 to F12 is called as enhanced function keys. So insert key and delete key. Enter, backspace and escape keys. Arrow or directional keys with page up and page down. The last is space bar. The picture represents the basic computer keyboard. It has 6 rows. First top left is the escape key, followed by F1 to F12 enhanced function keys, which is followed by insert and delete key. Second row consists of number pad with special characters followed by backspace key. Third, fourth and fifth row is the combination of alphabets, special characters, tab, caps lock, enter and shift key. Last row, which is the sixth row, consists of control, function, alternate, spacebar, print screen, Windows key, and directional keys with page up and page down. Let's see some shortcut keys using control button. Control plus alphabet C or control plus insert is to copy the selected item. Control plus alphabet X is to cut the selected item. Control plus alphabet V is to paste the selected item. Control plus alphabet E is to open the search option in the application. Control plus alphabet A is to select all items. Control plus alphabet D or Control plus delete is to delete the selected item. Control plus alphabet Z is to undo an action. Control plus alphabet Y is to redo an action. Control plus alphabet R is to refresh the active window. Control plus right arrow is to move the cursor to the beginning of next word. Control plus left arrow is to move the cursor to the beginning of previous word. Control plus down arrow is to move the cursor to the beginning of next paragraph. Control plus up arrow is to move the cursor to the beginning of previous paragraph. Control plus escape is to open the start menu. Shortcuts using Windows logo button. Simply clicking on Windows logo button will open or close the start menu. Windows plus alphabet D displays the home screen and hide the desktop window. Windows plus alphabet L lock your computer. Windows plus alphabet I which will open the settings menu. Windows plus alphabet E which will open the file explorer. Windows plus alphabet S will open the search option in the start menu. Windows plus tab will open the task view. Windows plus up arrow maximizes the desktop window. Windows plus down arrow minimizes the desktop window. Windows plus right arrow maximizes the desktop window to right side of the screen. Windows plus left arrow maximizes the desktop window to the left side of the screen. Windows with symbol plus opens the magnifier and zooms in. Windows with the symbol minus will zoom out in the magnifier. Windows plus escape closes the magnifier. Windows plus spacebar switches the input languages. Let's see some shortcut keys using alternate button. So Alt plus left arrow is go back. Alt plus right arrow is go forward. Alt plus page up is to move up one screen. Alt plus page down is to move down one screen. Alt plus space bar opens the shortcut menu for the active window. Alt plus tab switches between open apps. Alt plus function F4 closes the active application. Alt plus enter open the properties of the selected item. So let's catch up in our next video with some other interesting topics. Thank you.